in the name of Lord most mighty and most merciful. So in this video we are going to learn the chapter number the new chapter of JavaScript. What will be it? That the new chapter I am going to tell you how can you style up things in JavaScript. So we are going to make new file for.html. Here doc type script tag. Here what we need. First I will change the document name JavaScript. So I will come here and I am going to write here a tag. First I have to do one more thing. Okay. Come here, you have to write here and paragraph hash A and end button hash B. Call it how let A equal to document dot get element by the ID A and let B equal to document dot get element by the ID B. Now you have to make here an function C that will be change the color of A. First make here the B add event listener. Add event listener. What will be the event listener? Event listener will be and click on the button, open it and wait. We need an arrow key function here. We need an function here. The call the function here. Now you have to write here what? You have to write here B dot style dot. What you have to change? Color equal to red and B dot background color, B dot style dot background equal to yellow, and one more B dot font size, B dot style. You have to write a style and then any property font size equal to 40 pixels. You have to remember that you have to write any word, any number in the column. B dot style dot font family equal to cursive save. Come here, you have to go live first. You are go live here, as you can see. If I click this, but wait, come here. That will be B and I am going to write A dot inner HTML equal to what? Subhan. Save it. Wait. We have to do A here. You have to do A. Save it. Now click it. It's look like this. If I make a one more function D we have to do it copy it and paste it here. The color will be black, background will be white, 40 to 10 like 10 pixels, and writing will be like finish them like this. Save it. Now write here what? One more event, B dot add event listener. What will be the event listener? Right here, double click like this. Wait, I will write a double click. You have to write a what function C, no D. Come here, click it again. So it's how we learn how can we add CSS in it. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my friends. So take care and Allah Hafiz.